Once upon a time, in the vibrant hills of Jamaica, there lived a spirited 12-year-old girl named Geraldine. With her long, braided hair, sun-kissed skin, and a heart full of adventure, Geraldine loved exploring the lush forests that surrounded her village. One sunny afternoon, driven by her curiosity, she ventured into the woods deeper than ever before. As she admired the singing birds and vibrant flowers, she lost track of time. Suddenly, she looked around and realized she was lost. The towering trees around her seemed to whisper secrets, and the path she had loved so dearly vanished, replaced by a maze of green. Panic tightened her chest, but Geraldine took a deep breath and decided to keep walking, hoping to find her way home. Minutes turned to hours, and just when she thought hope was lost, she stumbled upon a clearing. In the middle of it stood an unusual house with a thatched roof and walls made of shimmering shells. Geraldine was taken aback. This was like something straight out of a storybook. Curiosity overcame her fear, and she tiptoed up to the door, which creaked open as if inviting her in. What she found inside took her breath away. The walls were lined with colorful jars filled with candy, sour gumdrops, chewy toffees, and chocolate-coated treats. A table overflowed with golden cakes and plates of fresh fruit, all glistening with sweetness. Then, from the shadows, an elderly woman appeared. She had silver hair and twinkling eyes that sparkled like stars. "Welcome, my dear. I'm Miss Leela. You've found my magical house of treats," she exclaimed, her voice warm and comforting. Geraldine's eyes widened with delight. "It's amazing. But how did I get here?" Miss Leela chuckled softly. "Sometimes, my dear, we find ourselves lost in order to discover something wonderful. Now, would you like to taste my treats?" Feeling a rush of joy, Geraldine nodded eagerly. They spent the afternoon sharing stories and laughter, as Geraldine tasted every treat. The sadness of being lost began to fade, replaced by the joy of new friendship. When the sun began to set, casting golden rays through the trees, Miss Leela looked at Geraldine with a knowing smile. "It's time for you to go home, but remember, adventure awaits you everywhere." With a wave of her hand, a path appeared, guiding Geraldine back through the forest. As she emerged into the familiar landscape of her village, she turned around to thank Miss Leela, but the house had vanished, leaving only twinkling lights in the forest. With a heart full of sweet memories, Geraldine raced home, eager to share her adventure, a reminder that sometimes, the detours in life lead to the sweetest discoveries.